like this. Only been days, but it feel like months. Gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast when you do what you want. Not this sound doing what I want.
Hey y'all, what's up and welcome back to the channel. My name is BrightAsDae if you're new here. If you're older but a goodie, welcome back. I'm trying to turn to the side so y'all don't see this. I am missing a eyelash, y'all, because I just got back from taking pictures for Instagram. I don't know how I feel about them, but in the spirit of consistency, I'm still gonna post. And usually I'm like, if I don't love it, I'm not gonna post it, and I still feel that way. However, they're not horrible. I'm just being picky, and I'm trying to turn to the side so y'all just see this one eye, because I just had to take this one eyelash off in the car because my eye, it was just irritating my eye. So I think I should just like take the other one off and then I will look regular. But I wanted y'all to see like the glam look. So anyway, today is Sunday. I have work tomorrow to prepare for. So at first I wasn't gonna take any pictures, but I was just like, consistency. I just had to like remind myself like of my goals and just like, you know, things that I actually want to come to reality. So I have to put in that work for it. So with that, I just was just like, let me just get up. My hair was already done from yesterday. I was just like, let me just get up and do my makeup and go take some pictures. And I did. This look kind of like pieced together last minute. It wasn't the original look that I wanted, but the look that I wanted to do, I didn't want this hair color in it. So I was just like, what can I put together that could go with this hair? And I just like came up with like an all black look with a burgundy boot that I got from, where did I get those boots? I got them from Fashion a Figure. I'll link them down below. Definitely check out my Instagram to see those pictures. And I know some of y'all don't have Instagram. I'll probably put one of the pictures in my thumbnail so you have an idea of what that looks like. But with that being said, if you don't follow me on Instagram, go ahead and follow me. My @ will be here on screen, also in the description box. It's 8:55 p.m. right now. I am about to go prep for work, maybe iron some clothes. I'm not sure what I want to wear to work. I did not want to wear this color to work tomorrow, not because it's like against anything, but I just don't like my professional clashing with my, you know, my personal and nobody in my business. I just like to keep work very like neutral and all that, but it is going to work because this is very much glued down and very much I don't want to take it off to do anything else. So I did bring out a black wig to put on for work tomorrow, but that's just gonna be my wig for next weekend. I'm trying to like just rotate my wigs around a little bit and just like try different looks and stuff like that. Anyway, I am about to go take off this face and go eat dinner. It's kind of late for me to be eating dinner, but I'm so hungry. I only had oatmeal this morning and I'm so hungry right now. So I'm about to do that and straighten up a little bit, prep for tomorrow. I'm wondering if it's too late to post on Instagram. It's 9 o'clock. Let me know down below. I feel like this is one time people are winding down, you know, scrolling right before they go to bed or whatever. So I'm going to check my pictures out. Sweets already went through, and like usually I'll have him look through to see if he like any and see if he likes the one that I like, and then we can agree on that. Not we, but then I can like, okay, I like that one too. But sometimes he picks some pictures that look a mess. I'm like, oh no, I don't know what you see. He like, I love when you smile. No, my eyes chink up when I smile, so I won't be smiling. Hence why I don't smile in my Instagram pictures. Anyway, I'm doing a lot. I'm talking y'all ear off in this intro. I say all that to say, welcome back to a new vlog. Good morning, guys. So I am at Target. I just left the gym. Gym and Target is right across the street from each other. And when I say I've been in Target every single day this week, I need to stop. But anyway, I did come here with a purpose. I think I showed you earlier on the vlog where I got Lazy Susan for my face products. But I need 2 more because I'm going to organize the bathroom closet. So I'm going to grab 2 more. I did already grab them right here. And then I really do need one of these because when I'm styling my hair in the bathroom, I usually mess up like the countertop. So I got one of these heat mats, you know, that I could put my hot tools on so I'm not ruining furniture or whatever. But y'all, I came on to show y'all really how Target can take people money. Like, why am I drawn to this? So it is a makeup sponge slash brush washing machine. It's like a whole washing machine with the hose and everything that you can, like, you know, just put them in and it washes it for you. Do I want to do this? Am I this lazy? It's so cute though. I think I like it more, not because of like the convenience, but because of it's just so like unique. I ain't never seen nothing like this before. But then a couple months ago, I had bought this one from Target, where this one was easy. I just rub it on there. So I don't know. I have this. I'm gonna just keep this. But Target just knows how to take people money. And let me show, and I did show y'all this too. They still have these out. They're swapping them out. But I saw the guy putting these on. They're drawers, organizers. I don't know if these can fit in my makeup drawer, but I like them. Oh wait, they can't separate. It's actually a drawer that you like put stuff in. But I don't know. Maybe this for the bathroom. I don't know. What would I put in here though? I don't know, y'all. I know this could be useful in the bathroom. I just don't know for what. Cotton pads. I don't know. I really, when I saw it, I thought you can like lift these off, because I was thinking like a makeup table organizer. But no, I don't think it's gonna work for me. So let's put it back. Hey y'all, I'm hopping on here right now to tell a little story and to spread the word that we need to be kind, even though I feel like that is so apparent, right? And excuse me if y'all can't see me, it's nighttime. I just ran to the supermarket to pick something up, but I got to the supermarket. Let me put y'all over there. So I got to the market, and there are these two ladies outside, and they're like, you know, selling t-shirts. And that's not very like strange in the Philly area, like especially at this supermarket. It's not strange for somebody trying to, like, you know, sell you something. So anyway, I was walking in. She was like, excuse me, I sell t-shirts, do you mind checking out one, or something like that, or supporting me or something like that. And I was just like, oh no, thank you. I've supported people here before. I don't know, I just woke up and I got a little attitude, so I was just like, I wasn't rude to her though. I was just like, no thank you. She was like, you sure you don't want to check my stuff out? And I was like, no thank. In my brain I was just like, you know, I don't have cash on me and I'm not about to swipe my card, like, you know. So I was just like, no. So on my way in, I was like, oh, I do have cash, because I do remember going to the bank this morning. So I was like, all right, when I get out, I'm gonna just give her like $10. I don't want the t-shirt or anything. I'm just get $10 to like just support her brand or whatever. So on my way out now, they were like, oh, it's a fight, and I'm like, oh Lord, I'm not trying to go out there, because nowadays when people fight, they got that glock, you know. I'm not trying to do that. So anyway, I see people like coming out of the supermarket again. So I was like, all right, let me just hurry up and get to my car. On my way out there, I guess the same girl, she asked this couple if they wanted to, and they said no. And they were African couples, and they had an accent. So apparently the comment that was made to them was like, do y'all speak English? So the guy got offended, which he has every right to, because what century are we living in? Like, we want to rah-rah to African music and Caribbean, or like any culture that's different. However, when it comes face to face with people who want to disrespect people, like, I do not like that. And it's so crazy, because she just lost my support. And I know it's probably not the end of the world, but I'm just like, you never know who you're going to offend. That could have been my grandparents. That could have been my mother. Like, because they have accents. So the comment about not speaking English, baby, you didn't have that attitude with me. So why? Let's treat each other nice. Like, despite our culture, despite language barriers, despite anything. Like, come on. That just rubbed me the wrong way. I thought that stuff was over. Not, you know, let me not say that, because that's just me coming from an ignorant perspective, because I don't go through that on a daily. I do remember moving here and going through that, just like, you know, being from a different culture, have a different accent and everything, like, and getting teased for that. But I just thought middle school kids, like grown-ass adults, are still messing with people about accents. And we are very much aware. Like, I thought Wakanda forever, right? Everybody want to be rah-rah about these movies and stuff, but are we even living it on a daily? And this is why I don't get caught up in all the cultural stuff that you see on the internet, because not everybody's about that life. And as I'm talking about this, I don't know why I'm getting even more upset. But anyway, yeah, so I'm heading home right now. I just came to the market to grab some stuff for my grandparents and to grab water because we are out of water. I'm going in. I'm not doing much. I did want to take pictures today. Like, every weekend I set out to take pictures and everything, and then something just throws me off. Like, I'm in a little attitude right now, but I'm still trying to convince myself, like, still get up and go take your pictures and everything like that. But I don't know. Hey guys, what's up? So I just got home and swapped out of my work clothes for my gym clothes. If you can hear it in my voice, I just feel tired, but I'm still gonna push and go. This is why I like this type of gym, because it keeps me accountable and I know I'm paying my money and not just $10. So I am forced to go, and if you don't go, you get charged a fee, and we're trying to avoid that at all costs. So let's go to the gym, please. Thank you.
Like this. Been days, but it feel like months. Gone for a year, only feel like once. Life move fast when you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want.
Alright, y'all, so I'm home. Let's do a Walmart haul. I just picked up some stuff that I ran out of and some stuff that I also wanted to try. So I got broccoli florets. These are really good. I like them personally. I like them more than buying the raw broccoli and steaming it myself. I don't know if they're fresh. They taste fresh to me and I like them. These are 20 calories per 1 cup. So I got those. I really love them. I got a bunch of them. I got about 7 of them. I got the caramel rice cake. These are 50 calories per serving. Carb balanced tortilla, 70 calories per serving. I got quick oats. These are 150 calories per serving. I got some granola. I really like this one. I've tried different ones, but this is my favorite. I got chicken breast, so I can make my tortilla wrap. I already have lettuce in the fridge, so I didn't buy any lettuce. I got shrimp, you know, low in calories too. And I got some chicken wings so that I can have meat throughout the week and I can switch it around. I also got some almond milk. And the last thing I got is this banza. It's basically penne. It's made from chickpeas. So they really like when I make like pasta and stuff like that, but I'm not gonna have like the regular pasta, so I bought this so that I can have mine separate. This has 190 calories for 2 ounces when it's dry, boiling it, so that's really not bad. And the whole thing is 340 calories. I don't think, because usually when you boil pasta it swells up, so this is a lot to eat in 1 serving. But even if you want to, it is only 340 calories, which is good. So yeah. Oh, and let's talk about the carbs. I'm not necessarily watching carbs or calories. I don't know why I just included all of that, but just for anybody out there who wants to think about that. The carbs on this one is 35 for the 2 ounce, 5 fiber. So this has 30 net carb, which is not bad, and it has a lot of fiber and protein in it. So yeah, that's all I got. This was just a re-up. I still have stuff in the house that I'm just working with, but we're going to the gym. We gotta make sure we're eating right as well. Right now, as we're speaking, I'm so hungry because I only had lunch. The last time I ate was around like 12 something at lunch, and it's really late right now. I need to work on my late night eating as well. But I seasoned some chicken wings, so I'm about to put it in the air fryer real quick. I'm just gonna make some lemon pepper wings, and I'm gonna eat it with one of these and call it a night. So yeah, I'll check y'all out tomorrow. I just thought I'll come and show y'all what I got at the market and basically what I'm eating for the week. And this is pretty much what I eat every day, unless like I see a new recipe or I want to try it, or like, you know, I've had And or like this week I fell for some like chicken wrap, so I'm gonna make that as well. But pretty much I stick to the basics, nothing much. I do enjoy these things, so I would suggest buying things that you really enjoy. But I'll catch y'all in the morning. I'm gonna just like hurry up and get prepped because it's already almost 9 o'clock. By the time I'm done doing everything, I want to be in bed by a certain time, so I'll check y'all tomorrow. Y'all, this some throwback soca. You want more? Hey guys, it's after work. I'm heading to the gym right now. I left out a little earlier because I wanted to go do my 3D scan. I have been meaning to do it ever since I started, but you have to like get to the class. You have to get to the gym early before your classes start, and usually by the time I get there, classes are starting, so I can't and I could do it afterward, but they do recommend you doing it before, just because like when you're sweating, it's going to be hard to like take your workout clothes off because I do have to strip down. It's just easier to do it prior to your workout so that, you know, your clothes can slip right back on. I'm 15 minutes out from my class starting. They said that the 3D scan takes about 5 minutes. So hopefully I can still get it done and still be in time for classes at 5. I did leave out early, but traffic unfortunately just always gets me on this stretch. So hopefully me leaving out was not in vain. I can still do my 3D scan because I've been working out for today's the 10th, and I've been working consecutively out from the 2nd. Anyway, my batteries are about to die, and I want to preserve it for if I get to do my 3D scan. So I'll see y'all when I get there. So guys, this is what the machine looks like. You log in with all your information. I just created an account, and you step on a scale, and this is what the 3D machine looks like. And you just like spin me around. It took my weight and everything. I didn't check my email yet for what it looks like, but yeah, got it done with 1 minute to spare. I'm not gonna include my scan in this vlog. I want it to be like more of a transformational vlog, so I'll just hang tight to that. But I just wanted to show y'all the whole experience of that. Remember this day when your girl lose weight. Anyway, I'm about to go get this workout in, and I'll check y'all later. Bye. Hey guys, what is up? This feels so weird because I know I have not picked up in my time. I have not picked up the camera in a really long time, but y'all are just seeing this in the next clip. I don't even remember what the previous clip was. I know it's been a while, but I just decided to just, you know I don't have enough footage, so I just decided to continue vlogging, even though it's a big gap of time. But we're just gonna rock and roll. So I'm heading to the gym right now. I just left work. I've been going to the gym consistently since the year started, and it's the last day of January. So yeah, today is the last of January. I've been consistently in the gym now for a month. It feels good. Your girl has lost some pounds, some inches for sure. Body fat percentage is down than it was before, so I'm excited. So today is Tuesday. Today's Tuesday. Happy birthday, Zoe. Today's Zoe's birthday. I'm heading to the gym. I just left work. It's 4:48 right now. I have gym class at 5 o'clock, so I'm just driving there now. I pretty much go to the gym Monday through Friday at 5. No, Monday through Thursday at 5, and then on Fridays I go at like 6:15 in the morning. I kind of cut it close for work, but I just can't do the 5:15 one. That just means I gotta wake up at like 4:30, and I don't think I could do that one yet. So I want to be a morning girl, and I want to be like, up early and all of that, but it's just not working out for me right now. So until I can do 5:15, I'm just gonna do 6:15. Ooh, bumpy. Wanted to come and check in. It's been so long. Like in my time, it's been so long. Not much happened though, not much change. Kai is officially starting his crawling journey, so I'm excited about that. Like, he's starting to crawl now. So yeah, and he's about to be 1 soon, which is exciting as well. So yeah, but not much change. This month was a really good month for me. you know, a lot of habits that I started out with. One of the big things that I'm proud of for this month is just my ability to just stay consistent in the gym. Yeah, I feel like if I was going to Planet Fitness, I probably would have been dipped out already. But it's just this accountability piece that I'm getting from this gym that I'm at. And, you know, and also they have challenges. So I'm a part of their 45-day challenge, which ends in March. So I took my measurements. I did my 3D scan and everything last week or the week before. So that was like my initial weight and inches and everything. I love the 3D body cam that they have because it takes all your measurements. So like it took my waist measurement, my arms, like everything. I don't have to like get a tape measure. It takes a lot of the pressure off of me, and all I have to do is just show up. And then at the end, we take the measurements again and then compare it to where we started. So I already see changes in my body, not necessarily weight. I mean, I did lose weight. I lost almost 10 pounds. My endurance is better. Last night I was feeling like my thighs, and I'm like, whoa, is that a muscle? Because they, like, my leg muscles are getting stronger. Like, I feel them. They're toning up a little bit more. My arms feel a little toned a little bit more as well. So like I could tell like my body is transferring fat into muscles, and that's really good because I feel it. Like even me doing this to my arms, I kind of feel like my arm, like it's not just fat anymore. Like it's still fat obviously, but like, you know, there's certain changes that I recognize, and I'm just so happy about it. So yeah, hopefully one day I could do a video how I lost my weight and everything like that. But as for now, it's just a journey. Of course, during my vlogs I'm going to talk about it, but I'm not necessarily going to go all the way in depth about it, you know, because I'm still going through it. And I know a lot of people would love like that in the moment, you know, in real time going through it, but I'm just not there yet. It's still a journey. I'm just trying to figure it out. I'll vlog as much as I can and talk about it as much as I can, but you know, this is just gonna be different. Yeah, I've been talking y'all ears off. I will catch y'all in the next clip. Good morning, guys. It snowed a little bit last night. I walked out and I saw my car and I was like, what? Thank God I came out a little earlier so that I turned the heat on. You can see it started melting. But yeah, it snowed a little bit. Obviously it didn't stick though. Definitely didn't stick on the ground, but it snowed. It snowed. Y'all believe I moved to Philly in 2019 and I have not bought the snow cleaner thingy. I think it's February. So definitely it was February 1st. So I don't know if I still need to buy one because is it gonna snow? Are we gonna get snow this year? But yeah, I just be praying that the snow didn't get stuck on my car so that I could just come in, turn the heat on the glasses, on the windshield, and it just fall off. So yeah. Anyway, heading to work right now. I will catch y'all in a few. I just wanted y'all to see that snow that's happening. My hair look mad crazy, but it not get done till weekend, so we're just gonna be crazy daisy this week. I traveled with some stuff today because I told y'all that my car is my little office chill spot now. I can vibe to my music. It's peaceful, it's quiet, it's just, you know, me. So I brought my iPad because I'm gonna budget. I'm gonna budget and figure out what I need to pull from the bank and all of that. So that's why I bought this. And then this is my journal. So I'm gonna journal a little bit as well. A journal prompt today, I freaking saw one on TikTok. My girlies like to journal. Let me give y'all a journal prompt. I saved it last night on TikTok. So in case my girlies like to journal, and sometimes if you don't know what to journal about, literally TikTok, Google, whatever. TikTok is my little spot that I just journal prompts, and I'll scroll through and I'll just pick the ones that I want. And I just stick to one prompt a day. That's just my style of journaling, but if you want to do multiple, feel free to do so. And then save them. You can always save them and go back to it, because that's what I do. So today's journal prompt is, what are you not making time? And this could be a thing, y'all. Like, every day I could tell y'all what my journal prompt is. Is that boring? Let me know if y'all would like that in the comments. But what are you not making time for right now that will change your life, and why? So I'm gonna journal on that because a lot of us know our potential, and not a lot of us know what we're capable of, and we know we just got to do it for things to change, and we don't. Why? I know my I know my excuses, not reasons. I have excuses. So I'm going to journal on that. I'm going to dwell on that. If you would like to answer, let me know down in the comments. Love y'all. Thank you for supporting me through my inconsistency, and pray for me that I'm consistent. I'm not going to make promises, but pray for me for consistency. That's one of the things I'm praying for. So love y'all, and I'll see y'all in the next vloggy vlog. Mwah.